So welcome to Selenium Automation Testing channel. So today I'm going to explain about how to create our own API. So to create own API, these are the 5 steps we need to follow. So own API means generally. So this is the URL, right? So in the URL, now I'm hitting this particular URL. So then I will get the response. I got the response, right? Here this is the URL. So this URL is nothing but on server. So this URL I'm going to create through API. So to create our own API, we need one server. So first step we need to install Node.js software. So we can install, right. If you go through Google, if you click on download, Node.js will be installed. If you want, you can type. You can click here through Windows installer. If you want, you can install here also. Next step would be like package manager. So like this we will get, you need to hit click on next. And third step would be we need to install one server. So to install the server in command prompt, npm install -g json server. So npm install -g server in command prompt, you need to type this particular command, then the particular server will be installed in your command prompt. So in command prompt, I need to enter this particular command. Then the server will be installed in your PC. And step number four we would be like, we need to create JSON file. Generally, JSON file is used like client and server will be communicated through JSON language only. JSON stand for Java State Object Notation. When we hit that particular URL, I will get the response. So that response I will get in the form of JSON format. To get JSON in Google, if you type in Chat GPT also, you will get it. Sample JSON format. Or in Google also. So this is formatter. You will get like dummy data if you type in Google. So this is the JSON format, JSON file. Now in my laptop, I have one JSON file. For example, so this is the JSON file I have. Now this particular JSON file, I need to run in the particular server. I need to run in a server. To run that server, I have installed the JSON server also. So in fifth step would be like, uh, so this is the fifth step. So run the JSON server with your file. For that one, in command prompt, we need to type JSON server students. This is the file name of my JSON. Now the particular server, now the server will be up and running. You can see at endpoint. Now my JSON file is interacting with the with server. So this is the URL. For example, Now I interact. Now I will do it. Now I will do manually. So I got the response. Right, 200 is the response. So these are the particular headers, and this is the result, and these are the headers. So this is the URL. Same thing. I will run. Same scenario. I will do through manually through REST assured. Given I will write down the URL. In another then is used for validation. Now I will validate the status code. So 200 is the status code. Now I will run this particular API. So this API I have created through locally. So this is the response I got it. So JSON file I got and the headers I got the response and the 200 is the status code. So test case is passed. Now I will create another test case. So generally, if you go for post call, so in post call generally in the body we will create the data. So the data will be created. For example, when we hit the particular API, you can see that this is the post call. For post call also, I will get the headers and cookie. So I will add another name. So now I have added this particular API. So you can see that I have in the body I have given the new name. So new name Peter I got it. So again I will update the again I will create another data. So same thing I will also do through automation REST assured. In automation REST assured, I will add the data on the basis of key and value pair by using the hash map. Later by using the put value, later by using the put value, I will add the data. So now I will take the API. So I'm writing the method by using given. So body, I'm adding the data. You can see right. So in the body only, I have added the data. Same thing I am also doing here. Post is used to create the data, means new data I'm creating. So here I should not put the semicolon. So if I put semicolon, so URL I will enter. So we have created the web server. For that web server, I have added the JSON file. So it became one another API. For that one, I'm adding the data and getting the data. So I will use the validation purpose. Then is keyword, use it for validation purpose. I will validate the status code. So now I will run the program. So you can see that this is the get call where I have get the all the fetch all the data. This is the status code and this is the headers information. And the same way, this is the ID and name and gender. So whatever the data I have created the body, those data I have fetched in the test case pass. Now I will also do the validation for the body also. So in the body, already March was there. So I am running the test case once again. So you can see that both test case has been passed, and in the data March ID was there, and 200 was the 201 was the status code for the post call. So in this way, through REST assured, I can do the validation and able to get the data and also do the validation for the post call. So in this way, I have created the server and I have for that server I have added the JSON file. For that API, I have passed that API in REST assured. So when I hit that particular API, I got the response and headers, and also for the post call data also created and headers also information also I got, and validation also I perform. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.